How wealthy people train their children differently. If you train your child only to pass exams, do not be shocked when they fail in life. Wealthy people do not raise kids to look for jobs. They raise them to solve problems. In the Bible, Abraham trained Isaac in stewardship and obedience, not comfort. King David, in his own path, trained Solomon early in wisdom, leadership, and vision before he died. Today, rich families teach money management before 15, public speaking before 18, investment before university, emotional discipline before marriage. While average families says just read your books, wealthy parents expose their children to rooms where decisions are made. They discuss business at the dinner table. They allow small failures early. So they avoid big failures later. The difference is not money, it is mentorship and mindset. If you want wealthy children, stop raising comfortable kids. Start training responsible leaders. Comment legacy. If you will train your children differently, follow for more wealth and wisdom principles that change bloodline.